Wow! What a beautiful day! Whoa! I stomped a blue puddle. Wait, what is this message?
Hi, I'm Sandra. Although you don't know me, I've kidnapped a yellow rainbow panda named Chloe to be the most evil rainbow panda in the city.
Oh no, Chloe. I'm going to tell the rainbow pandas.
Okay, Rory, I got the yellow panda that I prometed.
Ooh, this is so exciting. Thank you, my little Sandra. How are you finding the dungeons, Chloe?
Rainbow pandas. Help me.